Suppose u equals sin inverse x plus y upon root x plus root y. Prove that x square dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy dou square u by dou x dou y plus y square dou square u by dou y square equals negative sin u cos 2u upon 4 cos cube u. We have the given function u is not homogeneous function because it cannot be expressed in the form x raised to n into f of y by x or y raised to n into f of x by y. But when you rewrite the given function as sin u equals x plus y upon root x plus root y, then you have sin u can be written as x into 1 plus y by x upon root x into 1 plus root of y by x. These two terms can be considered as a function on y by x, and we have x upon root x becomes x raised to 1 by 2. Thus, sin u is homogeneous of degree 1 by 2 in variables x and y. By Euler's theorem, we have x dou by dou x of sin u plus y dou by dou y of sin u equals n times sin u, where n equals 1 by 2 here. We have dou by dou x of sin u is cos u dou u by dou x, and dou by dou y of sin u is cos u dou u by dou y. Thus, we get this equation. When you divide this equation throughout by cos u, we get the equation 1 because sin u upon cos u is tan u. Now we will differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y, and we will check whether we will arrive at the desired result to be proved. When you differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x, you will have to apply product rule of partial differentiation to this term, treating y as a constant. Second time, when you differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y, you will have to apply product rule to this term y dou u by dou y, because in that case x will be treated as constant. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x, we get x dou square u by dou x square plus 1 into dou u by dou x plus y into dou square u by dou x dou y equals 1 by 2 times sec square u into dou u by dou x, because derivative of tan u is sec square u into dou u by dou x. We bring dou u by dou x to RHS to group terms containing dou u by dou x in RHS, and we get equation 2. When you differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y, you get x dou square u by dou y dou x plus y dou square u by dou y square plus 1 into dou u by dou y equals 1 by 2 sec square u into dou u by dou y, because derivative of tan u with respect to y partially will give you sec square u into dou u by dou y. Here you can replace dou square u by dou y dou x as dou square u by dou x dou y by equality of mixed partial derivatives. Here you bring dou u by dou y in the LHS to RHS to group terms containing dou u by dou y in the RHS, and you arrive at equation 3. Now we multiply equation 2 throughout using x and equation 3 throughout using y, and we add up these two equations. Thus we get the equation x square dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy dou square u upon dou x dou y plus y square dou square u by dou y square equals 1 by 2 sec square u minus 1 into x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y. Here we can replace x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y by tan u by 2, which follows from equation 1. Also, here we can write sec square u as 1 by cos square u. Thus we get, when you take LCM, you get 1 minus 2 cos square u upon 2 cos square u, which can also be written as negative of 2 cos square u minus 1 upon 2 cos square u. We have tan u written as sin u upon cos u. Thus we get this expression. Since we have the trigonometric result cos 2u equals 2 cos square u minus 1, here you can replace this expression by cos 2u. Thus this expression can also be written as minus sin u into cos 2u upon 4 cos cube u, which is the desired result to be proved.